Question number 1. In humans, the life processes are controlled and regulated by. Right answer option number D, nervous and endocrine system. Nervous system. This system uses electrical impulses to transmit signals throughout the body. Endocrine system. This system uses hormones, which are chemical messengers, to regulate various bodily functions. Question number 2. Junctions between two neurons is called. Right answer, synapse. A synapse is the point where a neuron transmits a signal to another neuron or to a target effector cell. This signal can be electrical or chemical. Question number 3. Which of the following endocrine gland is unpaired? Right answer, pituitary, C. Unlike other endocrine glands, which comes in pair like adrenal glands, ovaries, pituitary gland is single and located at the base of the brain. Question number 4. The hormone which increases the fertility in males is called. Right answer, B, testosterone. Testosterone is hormone that regulates male sex health and promoting secondary sexual characteristics like beard growth and stimulating spermatogenesis, process of sperm production. Question number 5. A doctor advised a person to take an injection of insulin because. Right answer, D, his sugar level in blood was high. Insulin is a hormone produced by the pancreas that regulates sugar level. It enables cell to take up glucose from the bloodstream, effectively lowering blood sugar. Question number 6. Dramatic changes of body features associated with puberty are mainly because of secretion of. Right answer, C, testosterone from testes and estrogen from ovary. Testosterone responsible for male secondary sexual characteristics like muscle mass, beard growth, deepening of voice, body hair. Estrogen responsible for female secondary sexual characteristics like breast development and menstruation cycle. Question number 7. Dwarfism results due to. Right answer, B, less secretion of growth hormone. Question number 8. Which statement is not true about thyroxine? Right answer, option number A, iron is essential for the synthesis of thyroxine. Question number 9. When a person is suffering from severe cold, she cannot. Right answer, B, differentiate the smell of a perfume from that of an agarbatti. Question number 10. Which of the following is not an involuntary action? Option number D, chewing. Chewing is an voluntary action, means you can consciously choose chew or not to chew. Question number 11. Involuntary actions in the body are controlled by. Right answer, C, medulla in hindbrain. Question number 12. Which is absent in the cell body of a neuron? Right answer, C, centriole. Question number 13. What happens in a neuron when stimulus or impulse is to pass through it? Right answer, C, outer region becomes negatively charged while interior becomes positively charged. Question number 14. In the area of neuromuscular junction, the axon knob or button is plugged to dash of a muscle fiber. Right answer, A, sole plate. Question number 15. Which part of cerebral hemisphere is center of smell and memory? Right answer B. Temporal lobe. Question number 16. The pathogen which used to cause foolish seedling or Bacane disease of rice has turned out to be source of growth promoter hormone. Right answer B. Gibberellin. Question number 17. A hormone that raises blood pressure and risky behavior at high concentration by constricting arterioles is. Right answer C. Antidiuretic hormone. Question number 18. Which region of heart produces factor for lowering blood pressure? Right answer B. Atria on being stretched. Question number 19. Which part of nervous system controls the reflex activities of the body? Right answer D. Spinal cord. Question number 20. Which plant hormone is responsible for cell elongation? Right answer B. Auxin.